Sorry for closing it. You have to mix it. Oh, I have to put water. My bad. I'm putting some water. This water! I'll smell this water. Smell like snacks. Okay. Help me, guys. Okay. Put it in the container. Is that a container? Oh yeah. I'm putting all the water. Oh, my bad. It's dripping. I'm putting all the tissue. Thankfully, it managed to survive. Let's drink it now. Let's drink it. Let's drink it. Okay, put it in the cup. Very messy. Ooh. Just don't put water. Tastes like the pineapple from outside. It tastes very good. The idea. I'm putting cold water. Okay, I'm putting it on a tumbler. Okay, I'm putting it on the... Oh, it's full. It's now full. Oh no! Bad news. Bad news time. Oh! It tastes good with ice. But I don't have ice. The tank should be look like this. Oh. I think this is the screen of colorblind. Why there's some orange? I don't know.